from Fabulous Paper Emporium. I have got a giveaway. The giveaway is not without its request or there's something that I need from you in order for this giveaway to happen. And it's a pretty fantastic giveaway, if I do say so myself. It is, if you know Graphic 45, then you are aware that perhaps that they have these kits, these monthly kits that you can purchase. And in order for me to kind of get an idea of how these kits worked, I ordered a couple of kits. I have an extra one that is right here in its bag. It's Graphic 45 bag. And it is a pretty amazing kit. It is the Let It Snow Tag Mini Album and Book Box. So there are two things that you can make with this kit. So these are the wonderful instructions that come with the kit. And you get everything you need minus scissors and the paper trimmer. So what you need aside from this that's not included, if you want to use a ribbon, there would be about 16 inches of ribbon that you would need, either ivory or white, a paper trimmer, some scissors, a ruler, scoring tool, bone folder, pencil, some adhesives, and if you want, you can use brown ink. You know, my go-to would be the distressed vintage photo and a blending tool, but those are optional. So other than that, it gives you detailed, beautifully colored, like crisp pictures. There is also a video online to build and to make the two items. So like I said, there is a box. This is the finished box. And there is a mini album with the tags. And I've seen the mini album and it is so stinking cute. I can't even get over it. Where's the mini album? I wonder. Oh, there it is. Duh. It's right there. So that's the finished mini album. So stinking cute. You get everything. So here's what you get in this. You get one pack of the Let It Snow 12 by 12 collection pack. You get a pack of the Let It Snow journaling cards. You get a pack of the Graphic 45 Staples Flowers assortment in blue. A pack of the Graphic 45 Staples regular tags, the Kraft colored tags. And one each of the Graphic 45 book box. And again, that also is in the Kraft color. So I'll show you because you get a lot. And if you know the value of some of these things, so there's the book box. It comes with 3 Kraft cards and a binder ring inside, which is why it sounds like there's something inside and I haven't even opened it yet. I have yet to do mine because, of course, Renos. Feel like that's been my excuse for everything. So these are the tags. You get the Kraft tags with the ring. You also get, these are the journaling cards. So these are nicely, the same thickness and same quality as their paper is what those journaling cards will be. You get these flowers, shades of blue flowers. And then you get the 12 by 12 collection kit. And this is absolutely stunning. So it's just, if you enjoy this color palette, and like I said, with Graphic 45, it's very vintage, but almost with a twist sometimes. Like if you'd seen our Christmas time, the Christmas time paper, it is, you know, vintage with almost like a steampunk kind of feel to it. So there's always a little bit of a twist. And the fact that there's this kind of like purpley kind of color that goes through it is really, it's quite fabulous. And just as a side note, we do have the 8x8. This company does the 8x8. So I think that is going to be added to the store very, very soon. So what do we need in order for this giveaway to happen? Well, all of these items come together in one kit. So if we reach, as soon as we reach 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, this bad boy is going to be given away. So I'm going to take any of the subscribers, any and all subscribers of my YouTube channel, and I will be giving away this wonderful collection kit to one lucky recipient. So hopefully this encourages you to like, subscribe, watch my videos, tell your friends about me. That would be fantastic. I try to do 2 to 3 videos every week, and for the last couple of weeks I know I haven't really been doing that, but we are back on track right now. We may take a little break over the Christmas holidays, but other than that, I'm here and hopefully showing you things, new tips and tricks and things that you can do with paper. So thank you so much. I am so glad that you joined me for today's exciting announcement. And again, don't forget to hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because you can't win this bad boy without subscribing. So yeah, so I look forward to you and your friends joining, and that would be fantastic. So if you have any questions, you can post them down in the comments, but share and like and spread the word. And hopefully sooner rather than later, we'll be giving away this. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye.